Hello, this video is going to be a tutorial on how to mail merge for our semifinal exams for in our ICT subject. So I'm going to be guiding you step by step on how to mail merge. So first things first, we are going to Excel, which we are going to collect the data of the company that are going to be hiring, that we're going to be applying in, and we are going to make headings, and we were tasked to make 7 headings. So we've got here hiring names, company address, age, contact number, company email, application date. So this at the top is what we call headings. So after that, below on the headings is the different company descriptions or informations. So below hiring names, we got different hiring names. At the company name, we got different company names, then different company address, different ages, different contact number, different company email, different application date, and we were tasked to to make 20 of those descriptions. So here I've made 20 of them. So after that, we are going after we've done everything, all of this, we are going to be saving it in order we can use it later on for mail merging at Word. So we are going to locate file, go to save as, and then I recommend you to make a file where you could locate it easily so you can find it later on much more easier. So I'm going to browse. For in my case, I'm going to be putting here at documents, and since I've already saved it, I'm not going to save it anymore. But for you if you haven't saved yours, you need to click here save. So after that, we're done with Excel. We are going to be going to Word. So we're brought to this page here, and we are going to press blank document. So here we've got a blank document. At the top where my cursor is, we are going to press mailings and then go to start mail merge here at my cursor and press that, and we are given different options. But since I'm going to teach you on how to mail merge step by step, we are going to be clicking the one at the very bottom, which is called step by step mail merge wizard. Click that, and we are given a new tab here at the right hand side. So we are given different choices with letters, email, the envelopes, labels, and directory. But for me, I'm going to be using the directory, the document type, but you could use letters as well. But for me, I'm just going to use directory. And then at the bottom right corner, we have the next step. So we're on to the step 2. And here we got another options that use the current document, start from the template, start from existing document. And if you use the current document, you have to make your letter here, but I recommend you to make your letter beforehand so you won't be able to have much time consuming things. In which my case, I've already made my application letter. So I'm going to be picking start from existing document, so which is the one at the bottom, and this is I'm gonna look at my application letter, which is this one, application letter 1, and then I'm gonna press open, and there it is. That is my application letter. And after we've done that, we are going to the next step, which is step 3. Then we are going to find the recipients, which is the ones with the data that we collected in our Excel, which is here, this one. And as I told you, that I recommend you to put it in a place that you could find it easier. So I'm gonna see this here. I'm gonna press browse, and then we are going to locate the Excel hiring data that I showed you earlier. For in my case, it is located here in documents, and we are going to press hirings and then open. And we are given this tab here for the select table, so we're just gonna press OK. And then as you can see, this is the data that we collected for our companies that we're going to be applying in, and that is it. So I'm going to press OK now. So after that, as you can see at the right tab, as you can see, the browse is gone and we've got select different list and edit recipient list. So that means we are done with this step. So we're going to go to the next step, which is step 4. And after this, we are going to put the different employers' names. So for us to not manually change every single one, all 20 of them, we are going to arrange the directory here. So you might be wondering why I've put brackets here. So you can see how I do this and how I'll change it. At the right, we're going at my cursor, we're going to press more items. And as you can see, we've got hiring names, company address. So this basically, all 7 of them is the headings that I showed you earlier at the Excel part. So as you can see, it's all connected now. We've connected Excel to the Word. So before that, I'm going to erase the employer's name, and I'm going to replace it. Going to the more items, then we are going to replace it with hiring names. Press insert. Then as you can see, we've got hiring names now, and then we're going to continue doing that to the other ones. We have company names at the second line, company name, we have insert and close, and so on, so on. Just gotta keep doing this to every single bracket that I've made. So I'm gonna do that now. Get company address, insert, close, erase the bracket for company number, and then go to more items again, and then a contact number, insert, close, then email, then go to more items, company email, insert, close, and then go into date, then application date, insert, close, and after that we're done making the company's description at the top. So we are going to go to the letter. So as you can see at the letter, there are still more brackets that I've made for us to make it easier. So I'm going to change that as well. We got employers' names, more items, hiring names, insert, close, and then here a bracket of job title. For me, I'm going to be applying as an executive director. So I'm gonna put this here. There you go. So director. Then we are going to the next ones that we have bracketed. So we have company name. We're going to be erasing that. More items. Company name. Insert. Close. Then after that, another bracket. We are going to change. I'm going to change it as executive director because that is the position that I'm going to be applying at. So let's go with that. And then we've got another bracket with company name. I'm going to change that again. More items and company name, and we're just basically doing it all over again. So it's really not that hard to do. And then we got the final bracket, more items, company name, insert, and close. And after that, as you can see, we've got everything done now. Just to be sure, we're going to be at the top. Press this preview results, and we're going to click that. And as you can see, that is the official ones, the official descriptions that we used. And as you can see, it's much more easier to do it that way. So we're going to go back. Then after that, we're done in this step, which is step 4. We're going to go on to the next, and this is step 5. So just to be sure, this is our letter. We're going to go to the right and click this arrow over here, and as you can see, that is the step. Not the step. The the other application letters that I'm going to make, all 20 of them. As you can see, this is Zeph Thomas Uy. Then we go here, Zeph Thomas Uy. Then step 3, and as you can see, it's just you just have to make sure that everything is right and neat. And as you can see, go all the 20 of them. As you can see how easy it is, and you don't have to manually change or make every letter, all 20 of them. So as after you check everything, that everything is neat and clean, we are going to I'm going to go back to recipe 1 first again. Here it's recipe 1. We are going to the next step, which is the final step, is to merge new document. So I'm just going to make another one so it doesn't bug out again. The final step, we click the merge to new document, press that, and we are given this tab over here, merge to new document, which is we select all, which is the default one, press OK, and then there it is. That is every single application letter, all 20 of them, made. As you can see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And I'm just gonna erase this blank document. And as you can see, we've got all 20 of them. And we are almost done. As you can see, we got all 20 of them. So the last thing that we are going to do is we're going to be saving it, just in case. But just in case if we lose the file or all of it, because if we lose it, we do it all over again, and that is just very time consuming. And yeah, so just in case, we are going to save it. So for saving it, again, go to File. As you can see, we're going to page here, press Save As, and as I told you, we're going to put it somewhere somewhere we could easily locate it to, so we could use it later on when we finally send it to the hiring companies. For me, I'm going to be locating it to ICT, and then I'm going to be naming it mail merging. Put number 1 over there. I'm going to put number 1 because I already made one when I was warming up before I was going to do this recording. So after that, we are going to press save. And that is basically it. That is how you do mail merging. So that is how you do mail merging. I hope you understand on how I guided to make mail merging, and thank you for listening, and that is all. Thank you.